Did you study Greek at some point in your life but never gained any confidence in the language? Do you still have trouble distinguishing between nouns and adjectives, between present infinitives and aorist passive infinitives? I can help you with all of this. I have been teaching and studying Greek for more than 30 years. So if you really want to have some confidence so that you can advance your understanding and be more useful, I can help. Go to MossMethod.com and check out some of my sample lessons. The course features 40 lessons, each of which is a whiteboard presentation of an actual bit of the Greek language from the Moss reader. And I explain every word in detail. So you're learning the grammar, you're learning the syntax and the semantics, but it's not in a typical textbook manner. It's not like you memorize a rule, apply a rule, and forget a rule. No, you're reading actual Greek from the first day. And I'm helping you gain real confidence in this language. Go to MossMethod.com. We're running a sale right now, and check out what we have to offer.